The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers video series, Abacus as a mathematical tool. Title of the video, Abacus Division Demonstration of Assumed Quotient Method 2. Let us take the example 3588 divided by 46 again. Set the dividend 3588 in the right side of the abacus, that is 3 in the thousands column, 5 in the hundreds column, 8 in the tens column and 8 in the units column. Set the divisor 46 in the extreme left of the abacus. First you have to decide where the quotient should be set. For this you take the highest digit of the divisor and consider the highest digit of the dividend. So here 3 is the highest digit of the dividend and 4 is the highest digit of the divisor. As 4 is greater than 3, there is no need to skip a column in setting the quotient. Having cleared this, we have to get into the concept of assumed quotient, as the divisor is a 2-digit number. In selecting the assumed quotient, you can follow a simple technique which holds good most of the time. See the highest digit of the dividend. If it is less than the highest digit of the divisor, consider the first 2 digits of the dividend. In this problem, it is 35. See the first digit of the divisor, it is 4. Always add 1 mentally to the first digit of the divisor. Here the total is 5. Now ask, how many 5s in 35? You get 7. 7 can be treated as the assumed quotient. Most of the time, the assumed quotient selected in this manner becomes the actual quotient. Now multiply 7 with 4 of the divisor, that is 7 multiplied by 4 equals 28. By saying this, 2 should be subtracted from the thousands column and 8 in the hundreds column. As we cannot subtract 8 in the hundreds column, subtract 1 in the thousands column and add 2 in the hundreds column. Now you are left with 78 as the first 2 digits of the remaining dividend. You have to complete the subtraction part dealing with the second digit, which is 6 of 46. We have to multiply the assumed quotient 7 with the number 6. By saying 42, subtract 4 from 7, that is subtract 5 and add 1 in the hundreds column, and 2 should be subtracted in the tens column. Hence, your assumed quotient is the actual quotient, as the remainder 36 is less than the divisor 46. In the abacus, you will now find 3 in the hundreds column, 6 in the tens column and 8 in the units column. The divisor is 46 and you have 368 in the dividend. Let us add 1 to the first digit of the divisor, that makes it 5. Now ask, how many 5s in 36, which is 7, that can be set as the second digit of the assumed quotient. Now 7 should be multiplied with 46. We have just completed similar operation in the first stage. That means 7 multiplied by 46, which is 322, must be subtracted from the 368. That is 3 from the hundreds column, 2 in the tens column, that is subtract 5 in the upper abacus and add 3 in the lower abacus and 2 in the units column. As the remainder 46 is equal to the divisor 46, you simply add one number to the quotient and subtract the divisor from the remainder. As it is an assumed quotient, the proper guesswork is necessary. What will happen when you select the assumed quotient as 8 instead of 7? Here 8 becomes the real quotient and therefore you will not have any kind of remainder. Let us see in the next video what will happen when the assumed quotient is too low from the real quotient in Abacus division.